Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Lentil sweet potato soup recipe for babies and toddlers. Lentil sweet potato soup is a nutritious soup. Its perfect texture and mild flavors are great for babies. Learn how to make this healthy soup with a few simple steps. Cooking time needed. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cooking time 30 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Suitable for babies above 8 months. Meal schedule: mid-morning, lunch, evening, dinner. Ingredients needed: coconut oil 2 teaspoons, carrot 3 medium-sized, sweet potato 1 medium-sized, red lentils 1/4 cup, turmeric half a teaspoon, salt as per taste, grated ginger half a teaspoon, vegetable stock 1½ cups, coconut milk half cup. How to make: heat a pot over medium heat. Add coconut oil and warm the oil. Now add in carrots and sweet potatoes and cook for 10 minutes with the lid on. Add the lentils, salt, turmeric, ginger, and vegetable stock. Bring to a boil on high flame. Reduce to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes until the lentils are cooked. Stir in the coconut milk and switch off the flame. Once it is cooled down, puree the mixture with an immersion blender or regular blender. Blend it smooth and serve in a bowl. For babies above 1.5 years, you can serve the soup without blending with chunks of cooked vegetables in it. Recipe tips: you can buy canned coconut milk or make homemade for better taste by grinding grated coconut with 2 glasses of water and filtering the extract. Allow the mixture to cool before blending to avoid hot splashes. You can add cumin powder while boiling to add more flavor, and it also helps digestion. Check the consistency of the soup when all the ingredients are cooked well. You can add water to adjust it to a soupy consistency before blending. You can swirl in a dollop of freshly beaten curd while serving, instead of coconut milk. Lentil and sweet potato soup is a wholesome food packed with flavors and nutrients that is satisfying and easy to prepare. Give it a try.